Welcome to our quick guide on how to unpin an email in Gmail on your PC with the latest updates. If you've been using Gmail, you might have noticed the pinned feature that keeps important emails at the top of your inbox. But what if you want to unpin one? Let's walk through the simple steps to do that. First, start by opening your web browser and navigating to gmail.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. You'll be greeted by your inbox, filled with your emails. Next, look through your emails to find the one you want to unpin. Pinned emails are usually prominent, but just in case, it helps to glance through your inbox and spot the email that's currently pinned at the top. Now, once you find the email you want to unpin, you'll notice a star icon next to the subject line. This star indicates that the email is pinned. To unpin it, simply click on the star icon. Once you click, the star will change from filled to unfilled, indicating that the email is no longer pinned. And that's it. Your email is now unpinned and has returned to its original position in your inbox. Remember, this feature is great for keeping your most important emails accessible, but sometimes it's essential to declutter. Now you know how to unpin those emails when needed. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Gmail and other digital tools. Happy emailing!